Hi everybody, welcome to ESL 28 Academic Vocabulary Skills. This is Alex, your instructor for this course speaking. In this short video, I'm going to just go over a few basic pieces of information with you about ESL 28. I'm going to talk a little bit about what you will learn in ESL 28, the structure of the course, the structure of a week in ESL 28, how to be successful in this class, and then we'll take a look at the Canvas page for ESL 28. So first of all, I'm sure many of you want to know what you'll learn in this class. You'll be learning academic vocabulary from the academic word list, or the AWL, which is a list of words that are most commonly used in college textbooks and college writing. You'll also learn skills to increase your word knowledge and skills to expand your vocabulary in general beyond the academic word list. This course is broken down into 12 modules or 12 weeks. Week 1 is where we go over basics such as parts of speech and the terminology that you need to know in the course. Weeks 2 through 11 is where you'll learn the academic vocabulary and the vocabulary learning skills. And in week 12 is when you'll have your final exam. Every week is structured basically the same way throughout the semester. So every Monday, the module assignments open. You'll have assignments that are due pretty much the same day every week. So for example, you'll have group vocabulary journals that are due every Thursday. You have discussion posts that are due every Saturday, and textbook work or homework that's due every Saturday. You also have weekly quizzes. Quizzes open on Sundays at 12 a.m., 12 midnight, and then they close the next day on Monday at 11 p.m. So you essentially have 2 days to complete the quiz. And then on the same day that the quiz closes, on Monday, the module closes as well, and the next module will open. How to be successful in ESL 28. It's fairly easy to be successful in this class. Just make sure that you know when assignments are due, and if you follow the schedule that's given to you every week, you'll be fine. Log into the ESL 28 Canvas course every day to do a little bit of the work. Try to log in, make it a habit to log in every day, and do some of the work every day rather than waiting until the day right before all of the homework is due. Yeah, again, and don't wait until the last minute to complete assignments. And make sure that if you have questions, you ask them. You can email me any of your questions, and you can also ask your classmates as well. Now I want to show you the ESL 28 Canvas homepage. This is what it looks like here. The modules are all listed here. Module 1 through Module 12 before you have the final, and then you have course reference websites. Also, if you look at the top on the left hand side, you'll see Home, Modules, Grades, and Smart Thinking Online Tutor. The most important selections here are your grades, of course, so you can know how you're doing in the course, and then Smart Thinking Online Tutoring is an app that's available for you. If you have any questions about the vocabulary words, you want to know how to use them, or any problems you have with any of the words, you can click on this and sign up for online tutoring. It's available for you anytime. And of course, you can ask me if you have any questions. So let's take a look at Module 1, the course introduction, so we can see kind of what a week looks like in this course. So every week you'll have an assignment list similar to this. You'll have the assignments listed here on the left hand side, and then you have the due dates listed for any of the assignments that are graded. I recommend that you go through the list and do the assignments, the readings, and the assignments in the order that they're presented. So in other words, don't jump around when you do your assignments. If you have any questions, you can email me at any time.